Have you ever been in a legally confusing situation and weren't sure what to do? Those days are over. Listen to Sabi Law on the Beat 97 ABJ to know what's up. Sabi Law is up every Monday, Wednesday and Friday from 8:55 a.m. Exclusive to the Beat 97 ABJ.
Hello, Abuja. You're welcome to Sabi Law on the Beat 97.9 FM Abuja. Today, Mr. Kenichuku and Mr. Onyekachi Omar are back here to discuss your rights, to teach you your laws, to interact with you on your position. So we also would want you to, as you listen, to drop comments and feedbacks on the social media handles so that we can make improvements and so that we can know what areas of the law really affect you and you would like us to emphasize more on. So today we are looking at fundamental human rights, a breach of fundamental human rights, breach of our rights. When can remedies be sought? Like, are you going to seek remedy for a breach of your rights, or when you are scared that your right is going to be breached? So when do you actually seek remedies for the breach of fundamental human rights?
First of all, I want to start from what are fundamental human rights? Fundamental human rights are the natural entitlement of every human being. And also, in some positions, it also extends to companies, registered institutions. They are given to you because you're a human being. The moment fundamental human rights are removed, you cease to be a human being. Now, as to when can one seek for remedy, must you wait for your fundamental human right to be violated, or do you rush to court even before they are violated? I will state this. Aside where there is a breach of fundamental human rights, one can approach a court and seek legal remedies where there is a likelihood that his or her fundamental human right is about to be breached. So you don't need to wait. They said they will kill me. Let me wait now. When they come, then I will rush to court. No, the mere fear that they are going to kill you, the mere fear that they are going to bulldoze, bring down your property, your house, is enough for you to rush to court and tell court, please, my lord, some people have threatened, they even sent a letter from government that they are coming to bring down my property, I need protection. At that point, court can look at it and say, no, we are giving an order, nobody should near XYZ property. That's what it is, So, one does not need to wait for his fundamental human right to be breached before he goes to court to seek legal remedies.
So, Abuja, you don't need to wait until the person has carried out his threat for you to go and seek your remedies. Once there's a threat, once there's a promise to do it, when they say, look, see you, I will kidnap you. See, I will do this, I want to kill you. That is a threat to your fundamental human rights. So please, you need to quickly rush to the courts as fast as you can to nip it at the bud. So for these, our authorities are Order 2, Rule 1 of the Fundamental Human Rights Enforcement Procedure Rules of 2009.
Yeah, and to add to this is the one of the reasons why people, when someone is invited to police or EFCC and the rest, the person will rush to court and say, my lord, this police is harassing me. It's not that police has harassed. Maybe they only called the person on phone. Please come to our station next week. And now, you see at times, you see lawyers on the other side, but my lord, the police has not done anything. You don't need to wait for police or EFCC or DSS to take any position. For the mere fact that the man feels he's being victimized, he feels he's being harassed, or that he will be harassed. He believes that he will be harassed. That is enough for him to go to court and seek protection. I have seen an affidavit where someone wrote, the post on the affidavit said that my lord, the nature of the Nigerian police, that there is no way he will go for that invitation and come back free. So that alone.
I think it also applies to when you are declared wanted by a state governor.
Okay, I know where you are headed to.
No.
You know? So
we're not discussing that on radio today. So, like we said, our authority for this is Order 2, Rule 1 of the Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure Rules 2009. Make sure nobody breaches your rights. Make sure you protect your rights. Stand up for your rights and defend your rights at any time, anywhere, and anyhow. But there is only one how to do that, and which is approaching the courts. Thank you, and keep knowing your rights. Sabi Law.
Have you ever been in a legally confusing situation and weren't sure what to do? Those days are over. Listen to Sabi Law on the Beat 97 ABJ to know what's up. Sabi Law is up every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 8:55 a.m. Exclusive to the Beat 97 ABJ.